Hello guys, I am Manav and welcome to the eighth part of this video lecture series. And in this part, I'll tell you what is forking, what is making a pull request, and how you can contribute to other people's repository. So yeah, let's get started. It's basically the practical part of what we discussed in the last video. So first of all, we'll have to go to our GitHub account. I have already logged in. This is my dashboard. And what you have to do is you just have to search for a repository to contribute into. So let me search the name which is similar to mine. Let me search another Manav on GitHub. Let's see if we get some. Okay, so there is some repository matching my search. Let's open this. Doesn't matter which repository we open. So here we can see there are several files which are managed by this user PRVN16. Okay, I'm not giving him a shout out, but okay, let's start with the thing. So now what am I going to do is like I'll make a copy of his repository on my account, on my GitHub account. So now you can see this is the username of that person and this is the name of the repository created on his account. Now I will fork this repository. Basically forking means is creating a copy of this repository on my account. So I'll fork it on my account. So now it's forking it from the account of PRVN16 to my account. Okay. Now when the forking will be done, now you can see this is my account. Okay, you can see it's Tech Schneider and then that repository name, the same repository name. Now that repository is on my account. Now I will make some changes in this. Let's open this README file and make some changes for now. So I will change something and I'll add my name. Okay, let's add, I'll just zoom it a bit. I'll add Manav the. Okay, so now I added something, I made the changes. Now I'll commit the changes. So now if I try to tell you the chronology, it's basically like first you fork the project, second you make changes in that project. That means you improve that project for the person who already is you can say managing the project, and then you create a pull request. Now the third step, last step, is making a pull request. You can see this tab here, making pull request. Click this. Now, when I'll press this new pull request, the GitHub will do one thing. He'll compare the older version of the code, that is the one which we fetched from the original GitHub repository, and the one that we have on our account. It will compare the two versions and tell you if there are some changes or not. If there are no changes, it will show an error that there are no changes, there is no meaning of creating a pull request. But if there are changes, it will tell you what are the changes and it will allow you to create a pull request. So now I added my name, as you all know. You can see it is showing that you added, plus means you have added the name or you have written this thing in the newer code, and now you can create a pull request. So now in creating a pull request, this is the update that we have done. We have updated a readme file, or you can write anything. This is just like a comment. You can write anything, and then if you want to briefly describe the comment, you can tell it here also. But for now, I'll just create a pull request. And now it's totally upon the person to whom I've sent the pull request that if he wants to accept it or not. He'll review the code that I sent him and he'll see if it's beneficial for him to add that code into his repository or not. Similarly, if someone sends you a pull request, you will also check that if that code really works for you or not. If it works for you and it's making an improvement, you can simply merge that code into your repository. Otherwise, it's not a compulsion. So guys, this was all for this video. Now what I want you to do is I'll leave a link down below in the description box of a GitHub repository on my account, and you just have to fork that repository, add your image or any document file, and then create a pull request. I'll merge that pull request into my GitHub repository, and then we'll see if you are able to do that or not. Once you do that, you will become very confident and comfortable with this pull request feature which GitHub has, and you'll probably feel more comfortable in this environment. So that's all for this video, guys. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.